What's up, guys? You already know it's your boy Chilipino. Man, it has been a while, and this is the first video I'm actually making in 2019, so my bad on that part, but you know how I am. Anyways, welcome back, guys. It's been a cool minute since I even tried vlogging. So, first things first, I just kind of want to just clean my hair up real quick because it's kind of dirty, so I'll be right back in just a little snap. And we are back with my hair done. Kind of just wanted to do it, not because I'm going out or anything. It's just because I didn't want it all messy like that. So anyways, today I was cleaning my room like I always do with every single vlog that I've uploaded. I've already started cleaning some stuff. So I just vacuumed a little bit. My drawers were like right here. I put them back in there. Cleaned it up there. Gonna clean up a little bit on this side. And, oh yeah, I got an office chair. Not gonna lie, pretty dope chair. Pretty comfortable. I accidentally fell asleep a couple times because it was a little comfortable. I need to do a couple things in my room also as well because like my vision board, as you can see, that says 2018 on there. So I need to change that to 2019. And yeah, guys, this year is gonna be, I feel like it's going to be a pretty good year, and I just want to take you guys along for this whole year because I feel like things are going to change majorly this year for me. So come along, let's do it, and let's get right back into it. So there's a couple things that you guys haven't, obviously don't know about. One of them is that I made a bet with a coworker that I need to lose about 30 pounds by the end of May. It is currently March at the moment, but he also has to lose about, I think about 18 pounds, 20 pounds, but he's at that point where just exercising isn't just enough, like dieting plus exercising will have to, obviously make him lose more weight. He's at that point, and for me, I'm still at that beginning stage, so just working out, or maybe even just eating healthy, is gonna make me lose weight. So I took the challenge, and honestly, I need some motivation to work out. You guys seen so many times that I've talked about it and I've tried and I would quit. And so this one I'm trying again. I want to see how long I can go. I was doing it for a while, and I'm not gonna lie, I did stop for like about 2 weeks. This is like my first day back. But for like some of you OGs out there that haven't seen me in a while, you can tell a little difference, right? I saw a picture back in 2017 where my face was just bloated, and like that gave me even more inspiration. I think that's the reason why I'm starting back up today, because of that photo. I'm gonna go ahead and work out, and I'll talk to you guys after. Okay, whew. I just did my workout. I pushed myself pretty hard on the treadmill, and my calves are burning so much after the last push that I just did. I couldn't go anymore. Walking was just like hurting it so bad. I don't know too much about what to work out part of my body and stuff like that, so I'm gonna have to do a lot of research, and I could ask my brother, because he went from pretty much my size down to like pretty much fit. So I need to figure out what I need to do in order to cut down the body fat more than just, gaining muscle. Because gaining muscle, I could, do that eventually. But right now I need to cut down on weight. That's probably going to be focusing a lot more on dieting, which I'm pretty bad at. So I'm going to have to do it anyways. I can't lose this bet. And I have like until the end of May, which is the rest of March, April, and the rest of May. So that's about 3 months to lose 30 pounds. that doesn't seem like it could be a lot, but it's a lot. Especially for me, because I always have a hard time keeping motivation and keep coming in and working out, especially since I'm so self-conscious. Reasoning why it's hard for me to upload vlogs. And that's why I don't go to the gym, even though there's a lot of people that are willing to be my gym partner. So I'm trying to work on that, but for now I'm gonna go ahead and probably stop vlogging today and pick it up again tomorrow. So today I have a little mission to do, like a little plan that I want to do. My headlights, they are pretty bad. Now I don't want to fix them up, like, you know, make them back to like perfection. I just want to clean them up a bit. Like my right headlight keeps fogging up from the inside because I have a leak somewhere, and I want to see if I could find it and close it up so that it doesn't fog up like that in the inside. And then I'm just gonna lightly detail the outside just to kind of make them a little bit of that residue kind of just fade away so that it look somewhat better. So that's the plan for today, and then I don't know what else I'm gonna do, so let's get to it. So as you can see, these ones right here, they're all fogged up and stuff, and the other ones over here, they're just like super scratched up. They have a haze on it and everything, and I want to see if I could take some of that hazing off. So I'm gonna go ahead and take out these bolts and take this off, and then we'll go from there.
I said it before and I'll say it again. Life moves pretty fast. You don't stop and look around once in a while, you could miss it.
Done finishing the headlights. I didn't want to go into very detail as in sanding it and recoating it and everything like that. I just kind of wanted to get some of the haze out of the way because it was really hazing up pretty bad. For the right headlight, the one where it's all condensated inside the headlight, that will have to be saved for another day because I would have to open the whole thing up and make sure that the seals are good and make sure that there's no cracks anywhere and all that. And I would rather have like my dad come by and help me with that, or take it to someone who knows how to do that, because I don't want to mess anything up. Let's go ahead and take a look at it. Honestly, I think it came out pretty good, dude. Look at this. So this is the left one, and this is the right one with the condensation inside. But I mean, honestly, they came out really good. Also, my clear coat is coming off my car. I don't know if you can see it, but it's pretty bad. That was me trying to fix my headlights just up a little bit so that they don't look too bad. This will probably be it for the vlog. I don't know if it's going to be long or not. I was like filming a couple things here and there throughout these 3 weeks, so I'll put a bunch of it up together and make it a little vlog. And I hope you guys enjoyed. If you guys can, hit that like and subscribe button on the bottom. It's free, no charge. And then if you want, hit the notification bell. Should be somewhere down there too, so that you guys can get live notifications when I do upload a video. And I hope you guys really enjoyed this vlog. It's been a while, so see you guys in the next one. Peace.